In front of me is INFINIX Note 40 VIP, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. All you need to do is access AI Gallery and tap on Photos or Albums. Then, if you want to delete your photos, you can either hold one in Photos section and then click on this icon at the top right corner to select all of them, or do exactly the same in one of your albums. Either way, to keep some of your photos, slide your finger across chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!